Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look, Valentine's makeup look, and also how I did my extensions. There's a tutorial and how I put it on and how I color them to have this short hair and the whole full look. So it's very simple and very romantic look for Valentine's. So there you guys have it, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you so much. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hi everybody. This is that hair that I purchased. I'm gonna show you guys how to color. This one is 10" right here, and this is real human hair, unprocessed, 100% unprocessed, and a little bit brown, so it doesn't so I could color it, you know, so I could damage it faster. So I got 10", 12", and 14" right here. So I'm gonna show you guys how to color. I'm gonna leave the roots dark. I color my hair, did a treatment, and I color my hair a little bit dark, so it will match the hair that I will apply today. Also, there's another video, I'm gonna put a link down below, how to apply these hair extensions to your hair, to your own hair, using this glue, super hair bond glue. Also this, and I will do another video when you're ready to remove your hair extensions, how to remove them. It's pretty easy, did not damage my hair. I did it once, and this is the color. I'm going to color the bottom part really blonde. So I'm not sure how long it's gonna take me to get the blonde that I want. So let's get to the video, and also don't forget to wash your hair really good, and put a really good conditioner on your hair. I really like this hair, like I don't even want to damage it, but we have to color it. I want to color it. So let's get to the video. I'm gonna use 2 bags of this bleach, BW2 bleach, okay? And also in the back it tells you which developers to use. 10, 20, or 30. I'm gonna use a 40. Actually, it's not in the back. And that you use for each bag. It's a pure white, 1.5 ounces. Okay, it tells you which developer to use and how much to put on your how much you need for each package. I tell you in the back. I'm gonna use 40 because I want it to left. I want it really blonde. That's a lot of bleach, but I want to have more. I don't want to stop and make more bleach. I like this consistency. And I have an Oplex from Sally's. I have an Oplex. So I'm going to put probably not even 30 ml, like 20 ml. Like I probably put like a quarter, half, like half of this right there, up to the line. I found out that it comes with so much hair that probably I'm only gonna use one bundle of the 10-inch one, and then there's some parts that I'm gonna do it longer than the other ones because the bottom part of my hair is a little bit longer. So I already kind of measure your hair to see how long do you wanna use the bleach for. You know, like for example, I'm just gonna use the ends and the basically like just the ends, you know. So I want my own hair to mix with the dark hair. So I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put the bleach just like this, and make sure don't just leave like a straight line. Make sure with the brush you just like do it like this, okay? Don't make it look like it's, you know, like a line. Make sure that you hide those lines in there, okay? This side, I'm gonna flip it over and do it again. As well, you can, you know, use it for your, make sure you have the there. Take him faster. So it's been almost 30 minutes. I put a heater next to me. So, you know, usually like try to put it outside, you know, let the sun or, you know, get something warm over here because the floor is really cold. So, but this is what it looks like. It's been almost 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do is wash it, rinse it off, and then dry it, and then apply the bleach again. Okay, so I already washed it in dryer, and now I'm gonna put the bleach again on the same areas that I applied early. So again, just the ends, and I'm gonna put the foil on top, then leave it there. Let's see how much bloom I will get. This is the final look for these extensions. Ombre color. I was trying to do a blonde, but it did not happen this time. We're gonna use the nude new Huda Beauty palette. Is beautiful package. I love this package. Look at how beautiful. This is like a magic eyelet. It has all the colors you need. Nude, bright. Okay, there we go. My brows came out like magic. And let's just start with a nude color to set my eye. So, and I'm using a brush. There's no brand brush. I bought it at Walgreens. It's just soft and super awesome. I love this set that I bought at Walgreens for like 15 bucks and very soft. There's no brand. So don't ask what kind. Okay, this brush is a Morphe brush for eyeshadow, and I'm using a little bit darker nude color from the same palette, and I'm gonna put it all over. The outer corner of my eye, very softly applying the eyeshadow so we don't see the wrinkles. And this is the next two colors that I'm applying, a nude and a little bit more nude, which is a little bit pink for Valentine's. These colors are more for Valentine's, date night, or if you want just a soft look. And again, I'm still using the Morphe brush. Now we're gonna use the professional pore removal, whatever from Benefit. Um, I'm gonna try to apply it because I already have a bunch of concealer to cover my pores. My pores are so big and like a whole, my goodness, this. And I'm trying to practice my sexiness, but no, I don't have no game. So now I'm gonna apply the foundation. This foundation is Too Faced Fair Color, and it looks really bright right now because I got 10. I got toasty and the tanning bed at the uh, at the sport when I do sports. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender. This beauty blender I got it Sephora. I'm sorry. Then this is a pressed powder, Milani pressed powder. I love this powder. It's very affordable, very cheap, and I'm using the Elf brush, puff brush, puff brush. With the Milani pressed powder is really affordable and really good. It makes your skin look very soft. Now I'm gonna use Airborne powder. One side got more than the other. So under the eyes to set the eyes so we don't show the wrinkles that we have. So I try to use as much powder and as much foundation so nobody sees my pores or my wrinkles. Oh, this is a bronzer. We're gonna use this bronzer to carve my cheek. Okay, so we can define this round face that I have. So with the awesome beautiful brush, the bronzer that I'm using is from Unique. I sell those in my site, so I love that bronzer. Also I'm defining my face. Basically, it makes my the face look so smooth, extra smooth on the forehead because I have a bigger forehead, so we have to make it look smaller and my cheek and my face more longer, more round. And I'm removing all the excess powder, the excess under my eyes and on the side. Now I'm just looking to see if they're even. Now I'm using my finger just to, make my brows thinner on the front. I'm just fading to make them thinner. gold little cream with the glitter. And so I'm doing it in both sides so it kind of match up with the pink eyeshadow that I have going on. Now I'm gonna apply some glitter, pink glitter from the palette, from the Huda palette. Since it's wet right now, I'm gonna add it just on top with my finger and just press it gently, gently, okay? Just a little dash of glitter if it's a night look that you can go out. Now I'm just gonna blend in the bottom part, the waterline. I'm gonna use the Milani blush. It's very nice for like a very soft look, also summer look. And then also setting spray from Wet n Wild. Um, I forgot to keep my mouth closed. Sorry about that. But I like to spray a little bit of the setting spray on my fan brush for my highlighter to pop. Okay, so I do love it when the highlighter pops. I don't have the name of this lipstick. I bought it at the beauty supply store near me. I wanted to give it a try. It was like $2.99 or $5, something like that. The color is beautiful, um, and it wasn't that bad for like $5 or $2.99. So what do you guys think? Here, me, I'm trying to show off my look. I'm not very good acting sexy or anything, but I try. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time.